Today I want to show you how to troubleshoot an abnormal device display. With an unlocked account status, enter the system. Press and hold the volume up button on the device for at least 10 seconds. Wait for the device to display the reset and diagnostics buttons. Click diagnostics, then click the display icon to get started. Before clicking the test button, make sure your device is in portrait mode. Then click the test button to start the test. The red, green, and blue pages will be displayed in sequence. If you were able to see the red, green, and blue screens during the test, click yes. If there was an issue with the display during the test, click no. Use software fix to back up the user data from your device. Then perform a factory reset or use software fix to flash the device. After rescue or factory reset, if the device still does not display properly, there is a high probability that the hardware is faulty. The device needs to be sent to a repair station for an in-depth inspection.